everyone, and welcome to our Instagram live event being possible from the founder of the project. Our occasional event this Sunday is the future customer of business will be a machine. The picture on business strategy, psychology, and a little bit about looking in the future. And as usual, at the point of starting this event, let me tell you a little bit about our project. As I mentioned, the founder of the Decentralized project, and recently we did release a marketplace and a collection of NFTs. What is interesting, special, and unique about this NFTs is that they are based on three-dimensional objects. Ordinary NFT marketplaces they are predominantly based on two-dimensional flat and static and unmoving images. But we decided to launch something which is based on 3D, and as you know, or maybe you don't know, with 3D objects there has to be some special software which loads and displays, and then it may give the object some capability. Usually, creators of 3D objects, they are using game engines, and like most often, there are two choices. One of these game engines is called Unity, and the other game engine, which is frequently used, is called Unreal. But at the very beginning of starting of this project and throughout development, we decided to build our own 3D software engine. And currently we have this engine which opens a window on a computer screen. Then it loads the 3D object, and then it starts animating this 3D object in a way of moving it around the window in a random fashion and constantly. In addition to just the basic loading and animating of the 3D object, our 3D software engine gives a number of additional capabilities for our 3D NFTs. The first capability for our 3D NFTs is the capability of speaking. Our 3D NFTs can speak in one of three different basic voices. The 3D NFTs can speak either in a male voice or in a female voice or in a whisper kind of voice. In addition to the three basic voices, there are three different flavors of voices. The 3D NFTs can speak either in a normal speed, or they can speak in a fast speed, or they can speak in a slow speed manner. And if we take, for example, a male voice and it is spoken in a slow speed manner, then this voice can come as the voice of a very masculine person, or it can come as the voice of an old person. If on the other hand we take a female voice and it is spoken with a fast speed manner, then this voice can come as the voice of a funny person, or it can come as the voice of a little girl. So that's it regarding to the speaking capability. The next capability that we have for our 3D NFTs is the capability of voice recognition. Like if you, the user, have a 3D NFT which is loaded in window and it is animated, like moving in a random fashion around this window, then you can issue your very first voice command to the 3D NFT to stop moving. And then 3D NFT is going to stand still and stop moving. Then you, the user, can issue following voice commands to the 3D NFT to move left, move right, move up, move down, zoom in, zoom out, rotate. And then the 3D NFT is going to follow these commands and move left, or then move right, move up, then move down, come closer, zoom in, go further away, zoom out, or start rotating. So that's it regarding the voice recognition capability. Next capability that we have for our 3D NFTs is the capability of them having basic artificial intelligence. Wow, really wow. So we like you the user can, if you have a 3D NFT, you can ask the 3D NFT what is your name, and that 3D NFT is going to reply with their name. I ask the 3D NFT, who are you? And then 3D NFT would reply with few sentences on who are. I can the 3D NFT to describe something. For example, describe worship or describe or discussion, and the 3D is to reply in few sentences and describe poetry or describe civilization or describe country called Russia. So that's it regarding to the basic artificial intelligence capability. And the last but not least important capability of our 3D NFT is the capability of seeing them in real 3 dimensions. Currently, the 3D NFTs are displayed on a flat 2-dimensional computer screen, and we're using our imagination to imagine the 3D NFT as it is animated and moving in 3 dimensions. But like we are planning to have a version of the 3D NFTs, and this second version is going to be displayed in a way of stereoscopics. So what stereoscopics means is that part of the 3D NFTs is going to be displayed in red or reddish colors, and another part of the 3D NFTs is going to be displayed in blue or bluish colors. Then you can come to our 3D NFT marketplace, and probably this is the point where I can tell you the name and the URL, the name of the website and the URL of our 3D NFT marketplace. Um, the name of the 3D NFT marketplace is 3dnft.decentralizedweb.org. 3D NFT is typed in a way of the number 3, then the letter D, then there are three other letters NFT, and it is altogether 3D NFT. Then there is dot, then there are two words which are altogether decentralized web. Then there is dot, and it ends with org. Once again, 3dnft dot decentralizedweb.org. Like you can click on our first collection, and then you're going to see a link to accessories. And when you click on this link to accessories, you are going to see that we are offering some special glasses that you can order. Like after ordering and receiving these glasses, then you can see that one lens of these glasses is red, and the other lens of these glasses is blue. Then you can put these glasses on, and you can request displaying of the 3D NFT in a way of stereoscopics, and then you're going to see the 3D NFT as coming out of the flat and two-dimensional computer screen, and you're going to see this 3D NFT in real 3 dimensions. So that's it. Coming to the our 3D NFTs, their capabilities, and our 3D software engine. So I can follow this with a little details about our 3D NFT marketplace, and like ordinary NFT marketplaces, they're based predominantly on flat 2D JPEG or PNG images. But our 3D NFT market, our marketplace is based predominantly, and it is going to be offering like three-dimensional objects. So they're not going to be 2D JPEG or PNG images, but like our first collections and all of the following collections, they're going to be based on 3D objects. Like about a little while ago, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, we had an educational event which was with the topic called Bending the Wheel of the Market. And what bending the wheel metaphorically means is that like markets, usually they're moving in a steady fashion, and they're composed by businesses offering products and services, but like these products and services are like established, they're moving, and they're like that's what the market is composed of. But once in a while, there is a new company which is coming with a new product for this existing market, and like people who are buying products and services from this market, they start noticing, and they started paying attention, and they started looking, and they started buying this new and like innovative and upcoming product or service. And so what happens is the market, which has been moving in a steady fashion, is starting to bend towards the direction of the new product and service. And essentially, this is what metaphorically we call bending the wheel of the market. A new and innovative product which started moving the market in their direction and started this business which offers this product and service. They're pioneers in this moving into new direction market, and they are managing to capture the lion's share of the market, and they're commanding like the business and like the sales and revenue generation in this moving into new direction market. So like I described this because what we aim to do with our 3D NFTs is to bend the wheel of the market from the current 2D flat and static images towards 3D objects, which are having a number of additional capability, which includes AI. And as you know, AI is the hottest trend in technology, like either from users or from investors who are putting money into this new market. But enough talking about bending the wheel of the market and redirecting it into new and into new direction. So what I like to mention is a few additional things about our NFT marketplace. What is unique, special about our marketplace is that we also have our own blockchain instance. This blockchain instance runs Ethereum software, and in this way, we have a number of non-fungible tokens which they need to be deployed, and all of these non-fungible tokens, or abbreviated as NFTs, are deployed and launched on our own blockchain instance. In this way, we do not require our users to pay gas fees for deployment of the smart contracts for non-fungible tokens, and we do not require our users to pay gas fees for transactions of transfers of ownership from one user to another user. So what is different, even though our blockchain instance runs Ethereum software, but it is independent blockchain, and even though the software is identical as Ethereum mainnet or Polygon Matic or Avalanche AVAX or a large number of other blockchains. So what is different is only the network ID. The network ID for Ethereum mainnet is 1. The network ID for other blockchains is a different number, and the network ID for our own blockchain instance is 124. This is a unique number, and it is used only for our own blockchain instance. So in this way, we are detaching, for example, people coming to ordinary NFT marketplaces, like creators who are coming to ordinary NFT marketplaces, and they want to list their collection on the NFT marketplace. They have to choose um, one crypto coin, and usually the smart contracts for their creations of NFTs are deployed on this popular blockchain instance, and buying and then selling of the NFTs is done in single crypto coin. But with our 3D NFT marketplace, as I mentioned, we're having our own blockchain instance. We are detaching the buying and selling from a popular blockchain, and currently we offer a choice of 4 different crypto coins, which our users can use for buying and then selling of 3D NFTs with these crypto coins. Currently, the choices include Solana Sol, Polygon Matic, Avalanche Avax, and Qcoin, which is a big centralized crypto exchange. They have a coin called KCS. With these 4 different coins, people can use crypto for buying and selling of our 3D NFTs. But in our project, we have a second independent and unique way of buying and selling of 3D NFTs, and it is done directly with fiat currency. I can give an example. For example, if there is a user who comes to our 3D NFT marketplace, they click on our first collection. They started looking at the different 3D objects, and they click on one they like, and then they decide they see the capability of buying of the 3D NFT directly with fiat currency, and then they are using their debit or their credit card to purchase this 3D NFT. So what is going to happen is the payment from the transaction of the debit or credit card of the user is converted from the national currency of this user, and it is converted to US dollars, and it is deposited in our bank account in US dollars. So then what is going to happen is there is going to be a transfer of ownership, the initial ownership from our project to this first user, who now is the owner of this 3D NFT. So then this user can start using and enjoying this 3D NFT, and let's say after a while they decide to put this 3D NFT for sale. They decide on the price which they want to put for selling of this 3D NFT, And then let's say there is a second user who comes to our 3D NFT marketplace. They click on the first collection. They start browsing through the objects of our 3D NFT marketplace. And let's say they click on the 3D NFT, which is currently owned by the first user. And like let's say this second user decides to pay with fiat currency as well. Then they have a transaction from their debit or credit card in their national currency, and this transaction is converted from the national currency of the second user to US dollars, and it is deposited in our bank account. So what is then happening is there is transfer of ownership from the first user to the second user, and then the second user becomes the owner of this 3D NFT. Then what is happening next is a transaction from our bank account and conversion from US dollars to the national currency of the first user, who is now a former owner of the 3D NFT. And like this conversion is deposited in the national currency of the first user into their bank account. So what I just described is the second parallel, independent, and unique way of buying and selling of our 3D NFTs, which is done directly with fiat currency. So this is like independent way of like buying and selling of the 3D NFTs, which could be done in a number of 4 different crypto coins. With this said, I'm ending this little introduction of like our project and our 3D NFT marketplace, and coming back to the topic of today, which is the future customer for business could be a machine. This presentation and this topic was inspired by an article which I did read, and like that starts with an exclamation, welcome to the machine. And the concept of a machine customer has emerged from the Internet of Things afterthought to consumer segment which is demanding attention. They are and they're in development, they're in creation, and some of them they're actually in existence, but these artificial intelligence driven entities are drastically altering the consumer landscape and the strategies of retailers, marketers, and technologists across industries. Unlike traditional customers, these artificial intelligence driven or so-called machine customers are actively analyzing data. They're learning preferences, and they're then making purchases that align with the needs and habits of their human owners and human counterparts. And this is a stark contrast to the emotion-driven decisions of human buyers. The implications for businesses are profound, uh, and as they now need to cater to a new type of customer, which is informed by data, and it is driven by efficiency. Uh, like consumer analysis captures the essence of this shift. For the first time in human history, machines and artificial intelligence are making autonomous purchasing decisions. This change signifies a deep-seated transformation in market dynamics. Businesses now cater not only to humans, but also to an expanding array of intelligent and interconnected machines. But how AI is transforming consumerism. Machines now serve as independent purchasing agents. They evaluate, they decide, and then they execute the transactions autonomously. Consider smart refrigerators, which are ordering groceries, or, for example, self-driving cars, which are managing their maintenance. Uh, these are not just convenient technologies, but a new type of buyer, which is grounded in efficiency and logic. These AI-driven entities have the potential to not only complement but then surpass human buyers in both numbers and in purchasing power. A striking insight from Gartner research reveals the magnitude of this shift. By 2030, they project that 15 to 20% of company revenue could be generated from purchases made by machine customers. This dynamic shift underscores the urgency for businesses to adapt to this new type of customer, which operates on algorithms and data rather than impulses and desires. In business settings, offices are adapting to this technology too. A factory could autonomously order raw materials when stocks run low, ensuring continuous production. These examples illustrate a future where AI-driven purchases streamline operations, it enhances efficiency, it optimizes supply chain, it minimizes carbon footprint, and it redefines consumer and business experience. But what are the strategies for the machine-driven market? Machine customers differ significantly from humans in their tireless, logical decision making, and it is unfazed by emotions or biases. For businesses, adapting to this shift means rethinking strategies and incorporating machine customer considerations into their roadmaps. Developing expertise in this area could involve investing in data analytics and AI. It involves understanding machine purchasing patterns, and it involves in tailoring products and services to suit these new digital customers. By embracing these changes, businesses can effectively cater to human and machine customers, opening a new avenue for growth and innovation in an increasingly artificial intelligence integrated market. How are we navigating the world of machine and AI customers? As we witness the rise of machine customers, businesses, consumers, and the economy are at a pivotal juncture. This transition to AI-driven purchasing is not just an emerging trend, it's a paradigm that reshapes how products and services are sold and consumed. The implications are vast, from streamlined operations to new market dynamics. It is imperative to chart a trajectory of evolution from a bound customer to an autonomous entity. This transition delineates a future where the distinction between human and machine preferences is blurring, crafting a new paradigm for consumer interaction. We have a timeline that encapsulates this progression, providing a roadmap for navigating the impending shifts in the landscape of consumer behavior. Today we are having the bound customer, and here humans are setting the rules and machines are following, executing purchases for specific items. This is seen in today's smart devices and services, like for example the automated printer ink subscriptions. But by 2026, we could be having the adaptable customer, and then machines will correlate with humans, making optimized decisions from a set of choices. This will be reflected in smart home systems that can choose energy providers. And then by 2036, we could be having the autonomous customer, and by then the machines will take the lead, and they would infer needs and making purchases based on a complex understanding of rules, content, and preferences, such as AI personal assistants managing daily tasks for their human owners. But who would be the tomorrow's market movers? This transition poses both opportunities and challenges for businesses. The consumer market is no longer solely human-centric. The behavior of machines increasingly influences it. For businesses, this means a shift in strategy and approach to accommodate these new digital customers. The future of commerce will likely be shaped by these machine-driven decisions, making it imperative for companies to prepare for a marketplace where their major customers may not be humans at all. But how to craft our machine customer blueprint? First, we need data analytics and AI mastery. The proficiency in employing advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence to derive insights, to predict trends and inform decisions regarding machine customer engagement. Then we should be crafting seamless Internet of Things integration. The ability to integrate and synchronize Internet of Things devices and systems to ensure smooth, efficient interactions and transaction with machine customers. Then we should be crafting the security and privacy, the commitment to integrity and privacy through robust security measures, ensuring safe and trustworthy interactions and with machine customers. Then we should be crafting product and service adaptability, the flexibility to rapidly adjust products and services in response to evolving machine customer needs and preferences, maintaining relevance and competitiveness. Then we should be crafting the partnerships and ecosystems. We should be having a strategic cultivation of alliances and a supportive ecosystem that enhances capability, innovation, and market reach in machine customer engagement. Then we should be crafting and having data literacy and AI acumen. The organizational proficiency in understanding and applying data analytics and artificial intelligence, fostering a culture that leverages these tools for our strategic advantage. And lastly, we should be crafting supply chain agility, the capability to ensure supply chain in responsive, adaptable, and able to meet the dynamic demands of machine customers with speed and efficiency. But what should be our role in the era of intelligent buyers? We should be reflecting on how our businesses can navigate in this new landscape. We should stay informed by exploring resources on artificial intelligence and consumer trends. We should be engaging in decisions about the implications of machine customers and share our insight. This future and the future is being rewritten, and our perspective is valuable in shaping how we approach this brave new world of AI and artificial intelligence and machine-driven consumerism. With this said, I'm ending this presentation. Once again, I'd like to invite you to come and join our communities. And like if you go to the website of our 3D NFT marketplace, and once again, the name of the website and the URL is 3dnft.decentralizedweb.org. 3D NFT is typed in a way of the number 3, then the letter D, then 3 other letters NFT, and it is all together 3D NFT. Then there is dot, then there are two words, decentralized and web, and they're all together. And then there is dot, and it ends with org. Once again, 3dnft.decentralizedweb.org. On the bottom of every page of our 3D NFT marketplace, you can see the icons of the social networks that we're posting on. You can click on one or more. You can become a follower, or you can become a member of the group, and then you can get notified about events, just like the event today. And today is Sunday. The event is educational. The event is recurring. It is happening every Sunday, and the channel on which it is happening is Instagram Live, which is a video and audio channel. But we have an educational event which is happening on the same topic as the topic on Sundays, but it is happening on Saturdays. It is happening on the channel of Twitter Space, and as you know, Twitter Space is audio-only channel. In addition to these educational events, which are happening Saturdays on Twitter Space and Sundays on Instagram Live, we have a recurring weekly event which is happening on Thursdays. The event is an Ask Me Anything session, and the channels, the Ask Me Anything session is happening on two different channels. It is happening on the channel on Telegram, and it is also happening on the channel of Twitter Space. People who come to these sessions, they type their questions on Telegram in text. I'm replying to these questions in text on Telegram, and then I'm reading the question and reading my answer on Twitter Space. So once again, I'd like to invite you to come and join our communities, become a follower or become a member of the group. And with this said, I'm ending this presentation. Thank you for coming. Thank you for viewing this event. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening, and goodbye.